Can you see yourself in the 2020 Ford Edge? Take a closer look at this smart and sporty Edge. This midsize crossover leverages technology to maximize traction, safety, and convenience. Versatile, capable, and loaded with style, this SUV brings can-do confidence on every adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, satellite radio, premium sound system, power passenger seat, remote engine start, V6 cylinder engine, heated mirrors. Feel relaxed and confident when you're behind the wheel of the Edge. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.